just this year, bad peanut products led to hundreds of illnesses and cost 9 people their lives. A painful reminder of how tragic the consequences can be when food producers act irresponsibly and government is unable to do its job. A factory worker with a 3rd grade education, and when she was just 9 years old, he passed away. He joined the first meeting between Israeli and Palestinian leaders in nearly a year, a meeting that even 9 months ago did not seem possible. The passage of time will never diminish the pain and loss forever seared in the consciousness of our nation. That's why, on this day, we pray. For nearly 9 years, our nation has been at war in Iraq. You see, after nearly 9 years, our war in Iraq is over. 2 weeks ago, the Senate advanced a bill that would make it harder for criminals and people with severe mental illness from getting their hands on a gun, an idea supported by 9 out of 10 Americans, including a majority of gun owners. As an example, 9 in 10 American small businesses that use eBay as a platform to sell their products are exporters, with customers in more than 30 different countries on average. The Affordable Care Act has saved more than 9 million folks on Medicare $15 billion on their prescription drugs. It's expanded Medicaid to help cover 12.8 million more Americans and to help more seniors live independently. Number 9, more Americans are getting health coverage.
Overseas nominations to the courts, all federal courts. I presided over 9 Supreme Court nominees, more than anyone alive.
More than 9 million Americans who would receive tax credits to keep insurance affordable would no longer receive that help. It designates more than 2 million acres across 9 states as wilderness, almost as much as was designated over the past 8 years combined. Sonia was 9. Her father passed away. I know giving up his seat in Congress after 9 terms will require a sacrifice, both for John and his constituents. Even for those who have health insurance, rising premiums are straining family budgets to the breaking point. Premiums that have doubled over the last 9 years and have grown at a rate 3 times faster than wages. As I said, families have seen their health care costs double over the last 9 years. Take the Ohio example. Over the past few years, premiums have risen nearly 9 times faster than wages.
As one of AARP's 40 million members, and as a volunteer, as Mike mentioned, one of actually 9 million, and many of who are here, including our board chair, I recognize that there is no greater priority than reforming our healthcare system.